Whether it's a water project, a sanitary sewer project, a streets project, or a drainage project, this new drone technology will make that process so much more efficient. At Schaumburg and Polk, we live in the communities that we serve. We take pride in our familiarity with our clients and partnering with our clients rather than just doing a project for them and then leaving town.
The drone employed by Schaumburg and Polk is a DJI M600. It is a professional aerial photography and heavy lift platform. The sensor package on the drone is a LIDAR sensor made by Phoenix Aerial Systems in Austin, Texas. LIDAR stands for light detection and ranging. It is a laser that measures distances from the sensor. My name is Andrew Wright, and I'm a drone pilot and a professional engineer for Schaumburg and Polk.
The Anderson Gully study was conceived after Hurricane Harvey. Anderson Gully is a main drainage for part of the city of Vidor, and the city recognizes that there are improvements needed in that along that drainage way, and so they elected to use part of the disaster recovery funds to fund a study of Anderson Gully.
My name is Robbie Hood. I am the city manager for the city of Vidor. We have a project called the Anderson Gully Study. As you well know, we've experienced a lot of flooding in our area, and this is going to help tremendously. It's a roadmap to where we need to go, and that study is going to be very important to us going down the road with grant possibilities. Schaumburg and Polk are our engineers because we do not have a staff engineer on site. So we employ the services of a qualified engineer, and Schaumburg and Polk are our engineer of choice.
My name is Steve Jordan. I'm a vice president of Schaumburg and Polk, and also I am the project manager for the Anderson Gully project in Vidor.
Schaumburg and Polk is a leader in the area. Their work ethic is unmatched.
For the Anderson Gully project, the LIDAR survey allowed us to get a lot more detailed information for much more of the channel than if we had done a traditional topographic survey only.
Drones, LIDAR, and remote sensing is the future of engineering and surveying.
Using traditional surveying methods would have taken probably months longer to finish, and we would not have been able to gather as much data as we were using drone technology. Schaumburg and Polk has decades of experience in civil engineering and municipal infrastructure design projects.
We have the people, the tools, and the equipment to make projects more efficient.